Are you ready to open the package? Let's go open it together. Come on. I cannot believe how fast this got here. I must have ordered this a week ago, not even. And it's already here. I cannot believe it. I'm very excited to open this. And I'm excited to open this together. When I first opened the box, I saw this beautiful book, just giving you an idea of a way you could customize your book. And there's lots of beautiful ideas, different creative ways that people make the book their own. So these are really nice for cutting out and putting in my journal. And also I did get some ideas from here to possibly use on a cover or two. Here we are. We've got the package. Let me open it. Actually, I'm not going to rip the seal. I'm going to pull it out because it's in a soft packaging. Natural imperfections in leather. The leather is completely raw and natural. Unlike chemically treated leathers, vegetable tan leather may sometimes display slight color variations, small marks, or irregularities. These are not flaws, but rather proof of its natural origin and unique character. These distinctive features make each Louise Carmen notebook an exceptional piece with an incomparable texture and feel. Okay, little card just saying that the wedging is made with recycled textile fibers. This bag is something I actually got to choose. They had 3 choices, and this was my favorite of the 3. I love it with the butterflies or moths on here. I love it so much. So let's get rid of that. Okay, are you ready? I am. I'm definitely ready. Okay, here we go. Oh boy. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's put these aside. Okay. So I did not get an engraving on this one. I just decided to do charms, and I have some charms that I'm going to put on it at a later time. But I did choose this military color, and it is like an olive green, and I love it. These are the charms that I picked. This hammered outline of a heart, and then this little dainty ceramic heart. I love. It looks like it's hanging. I love that. So, and then I chose this burgundy elastic, and they have beautiful tiny little hardware, which I love. I love how they're like very thin. It's not a heavy metal look. You open it up. Now this one has 3 strings. So right now it comes with these 3 books. I was able to choose if I wanted plain, lined, or dot grid, and that was included in the price of the leather. So I can also add notebooks to these strings and put more. I think it said I could put up to 6 in this style. It's called the Roadster. So there's 3 different books or leather covers that are in the medium category, which is this. It's like these are like an A5 Slim. Not like, these are A5 Slim. So knowing that, I chose a cover that would hold. I chose this cover because it holds the most books. So I'm loving this color. This little tag, I noticed that they put this in different places. It's like a surprise where your tag will be. And then I like how they've already installed these notebooks for me. So I got the dot grid, which is also numbered, and it's like a creamy color paper. And I did did I do two dot grids? I guess so. This is a plain, just plain cream paper. And then this one was actually a free gift to dot grid. So these have 64 pages. So I'll show you. So the blank one's not numbered, but this one's numbered 64. So there's 32 sheets and 64 pages. And that's great that they're numbered, because that way you can index to be able to find your information easily. They include an extra rubber bands or elastic in the same burgundy color. I love these colors together. Isn't that so pretty? I also got the book that I wanted to possibly use the green leather for. So let's see if this fits. This is a sterling ink commonplace planner that we're going to try. Let's take these out. I love also that these are stitched, and I think it's fun that they use this darker string. I love that. These are a great size. A5 Slim is a nice size. I was a little bit scared. I thought it was going to be too small for me. I guess that will work out and it'll flatten out once I use this a lot. This is an A5 Slim. Let's line these up. Yeah. So you could see how this lines up. It's the same height as the A5, which is, I think, 8 1/3 maybe, or 8 1/4. But the width is where they trim some off. So it's a little over 5 inches this way. Maybe I'll grab my ruler and then we'll know. And probably near me, let's use this big crazy looking one. So we have just about 8 1/4. And then this one is 5 inches width. So good to know. Now, I am not sure where, I think it's the middle of the book, the best place to put the string. And I think you do it like this. Put the string. Oh, I've done this before several times already, but this never with a 3-string leather. So, okay. I like the knot to be up here. I don't like the knot in the middle because I know that's how they had it, but it was making a bump. Okay, so I could see this is flattening it out. It is helping it to flatten. And then I would cover it up. Yes, perfect. So it does cover the book that I was hoping it would. I think, well, I was going to say, I think this might be my everyday carry, but I'm not really positive. I need to decide, being that it is about to be March. But I was getting this office together and not really having a lot of chances to think about what I'm going to carry. And I don't really go to a lot of places, to be honest. I'm home a lot, so it's like an everyday carry around the house, you know? So it's the book that will always be accessible. So somewhere for my appointments and things I need to do at a certain time. I'm just seeing if it'll still, as long as, I think, as long as you can cover, if you can have an overlap with your leather, you can have that, whatever you have inside. If you add something and it's like this, I personally would probably take one out, but that's just me. I don't want it to be busting out like that. And plus that would probably be really heavy. So I don't know if I would put, I don't necessarily like this big book before this small book. So, but I just wanted to see for size, I would probably put this. That's cute like that, I have to say. And that's laying beautifully. So do we want to see it with a charm? Let me grab a charm. Okay, I have this beautiful key charm, and we can just put it right here just to get an idea. Sometimes my fingers don't like to work as good as they used to, but that's okay. Very cute. Very cute. I love it. It feels delicious. And I love the way it fits the books perfectly. It's like it was cut for this cover. It's beautiful, gorgeous. That's so pretty. On the back, the Louise Carmen stamp embossed in gold. I love it. Love it. So pretty. So simple and so beautiful. Well, thanks so much for opening this beautiful cover with me. I hope you enjoyed watching that opening. If you were wondering about Louise Carmen, I hope this helped answer some of your questions. If you're wondering about anything with the ordering or anything about this cover, it was very easy to order. I will see you next time. I hope you have a great day. Take good care. Bye-bye.